Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
You start by enabling location and setting high accuracy. This improves GPS precision. Once done, sign into your Google account and open Google Maps so the app can tie position to your profile. Make sure Maps has location permission and background location access. This lets tracking continue when the app is minimized. Also confirm battery optimization won't restrict Maps. Now tap the blue dot to center the map and verify your position is current before moving to sharing or history features. Next, you choose whether to share live location or rely on your timeline. To share, tap Share Location, pick a contact, and set duration. Live location continuously updates the recipient. For private tracking, use Timeline to record routes. Make sure location history is on. Adjust location accuracy in settings if signals are weak, and disable battery saver or allow background data so updates are frequent. Once configured, start moving and watch your position update in real time on the map or in your timeline. To finish, stop sharing manually from the Share Location card or let the set duration expire. Confirm recipients can no longer see you. For records, open Timeline to review and export routes as needed. If Maps fails to update, first check app permissions, ensure GPS/high accuracy is enabled, and disable airplane mode. Also restart the app and device and verify background data isn't blocked. If problems persist, toggle location history and permissions. Usually a quick restart and permission reset.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.